Okay, gentlemen. Now, the last few sections, we've been working on the percent proportion. We know it works every time. It's easy. I look for the key words, right? And they tell me where to put stuff, and I know I just cross multiply and divide. Done. Easy. Piece of cake. Okay? Now, today, we're going to do something called the percent equation. Now, guys, we've done some of this stuff before, and that's taking words and converting it to an equation. And I want you to watch me on this first one. I'm going to translate this word, these words, this question, into an equation. It's not going to be a proportion. We've done that. We know how to do that. We can always do that. That's good. But here's the percent equation. You may feel more comfortable with this one. Let me show you. Okay? What percent? Whenever I see the word what, I'm going to put a variable. That's the thing I'm looking for. What? Okay? What does of mean, please, Miles? It means multiply. So I'm going to put parentheses here. Okay? The number 25 is just going to go right in those parentheses because it says of 25. Rex, what does the word is mean in math? Equals. And then I'm just going to bring 50 down. Now I have an equation. Okay? Taggart, what would I do to solve this equation? This isn't the normal way I'd write it. I'd normally write 25x equals 50. But we know what this means, right? It's x times 25. What would I do? Taggart says I'm going to divide both sides by 25. What am I going to have left on the left side, Henry? X on the left. And what about on the right, Dane? I'm going to have 2. Okay? Now, that's not right, is it? It says what percent of 25 is 50? What do you think, Miles? Do I need to move it over 2 places? What percent of 25 is 50? Here it is right now, right? Whenever I'm working, and we've said this before, whenever I'm working in an equation, I'm never going to get the little percent sign. I got to get rid of that. I'm working with a decimal. Now I need to take my answer here and change it to a percent. What do I need to do to change it to a percent? Alex? I'm not going to... Well, hang on to that. Spencer, what do I do to change a decimal or a number in standard form to a percent? Over to the right. Exactly. And so what do I do with those 2 empty spaces? I put zeros, so my answer is going to be 200%. So that means 50 is 200% of 25. Doesn't that make sense? It's all of 25 and another 25. It's 200% of 25. 50 is, right? Do you see how it answered that question for us? Now I've still got a few seconds. I have a question. This is the first time you're seeing this, so you may get more comfortable with it. But raise your hand if you think percent proportion is easier than the percent equation. If you like the proportion better than the equation. Okay. I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 out of 13, 14 right now. Okay. All right, that sounds good. Let's look at the next one.